Hey everyone, hope you're having a good afternoon. This is Carol from Torchlight Cottage. I wanted to show you real quick how I'm using some of my white bush squash in a beef stew that I'm making for dinner tonight. And my husband's like, no, they're not white squash, bush squash. I'm like, yeah, they are. And he's all, no, they're not. He calls them saucer squash because they look like saucers. So let me get this started for you. I have some little tiny carrots that came out of my garden. I have some celery. Let me get down here a little bit further. I have some fresh tomatoes from my garden and some that my daughter brought home from culinary school. This is the white saucer squash. I have it all cleaned up. I'm going to cut that up in little pieces. I have some beef stew meat. I'm going to use half of it, and I discovered I had some mashed potatoes frozen in the freezer. I have dill, and I have